Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome, everyone, to the WIC Fortune 100 Lunch and Learn with Insight. My name is Rais Noel. I'm the Global Events Program Lead with Women in Cloud, and we are so excited to welcome you today for this special session where we'll get to learn from leaders at Insight. For those of you where this is your first time joining us for one of these sessions, you're in for a real treat. There's lots to cover, and you'll get to meet people and learn and get insights from Insight. So with that, I'll just start by getting you comfortable with this space that we're in right now. For those of you where remote platform is new, we want to be sure that you know that you can engage in the chat, share your comments, use the emojis to share your reactions. And in today's session, Insight is going to be sharing with us the power of strategic partnering with Insight. And then we'll have a power panel with some leaders from the organization talking about the trifecta approach to building that strategic relationship in regards to, talent, business development, and alliances. Then we're going to have a cloud solution showcase. And that's where we have two entrepreneurs from the Women in Cloud ecosystem that are going to showcase and demo their innovative solutions so that you can learn more about them and find out about their solutions that they've developed and that are ready for enterprise. Then the highly sought after experience is the advisor roundtable experience. So we have some advisors from Insight that are going to be talking about all sorts of different things, partnerships, getting into Insight, job opportunities, so on and so forth. And you'll have some time to meet with those folks in the virtual lounge. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Chaitra Vidulapalli to tell you a little bit more about Women in Cloud, and then introduce Amy Protexter from Insight for her Power Talk. So welcome, Chaitra.
Thank you, Raisa, for a warm welcome. So excited. It's Friday. So happy Friday to all of you. I'm really excited to be here. And really a warm welcome to all of you. So we are so excited that you're with us and we get to connect, learn, and explore opportunities with Insight. And Insight is a publicly traded global technology company that focuses on business to business and information technology capabilities for enterprises. Insight focuses on three primary solution areas, which is cloud and data center transformation, connected workforce, and digital innovation. The best thing about Insight is they're recognized as one of the world's best employers. So we want to give a warm welcome to all the Insight leaders who are with us today and engaging with the Women in Cloud community. And also thank you for joining the ecosystem and collectively solving the global crisis that we have in front of us for women. So for people who are new to WIC, I am Chaitra Vidulapalli. I'm the co-founder and president of Women in Cloud. We are a community-led and economic development organization with an audacious goal to create $1 billion in economic access for female founders and professionals in the enterprise ecosystem. So we collaborate with the Fortune brands and communities to advance workforce development, supplier access to female founders, community development, and also policy advancement. So today, Fortune 100 Lunch and Learn series is really designed for us to connect and learn and explore opportunities. So our partnership with Insight has been one of the most incredible partnerships. So they help us focus on impact and also help us to take bold steps. And this is because of Amy Protexter. She's the Senior Vice President of Marketing at Insight in North America. And Amy has always been fascinated by ideas. So as a history major of Augustina College, she noticed the way a single idea expresses itself in different forms through the conduct, art, and culture of a society. and her talent for connecting those ideas into a compelling message led by Amy to her master's degree in executive leadership from the University of Nebraska. Her success at leading change in corporate cultures brought her to Insight, where she guided the company's global rebranding and continued evolution and works daily to distill its message to the world through some of the channel's most compelling digital marketing strategies. She started her career in healthcare, where she developed an ability to challenge an organization's status quo and better align its mission and messaging. As Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing and Communication Officer for Allegiant Health, and later as Vice President at Vanguard Health System, she created messaging, project, and advocacy efforts to push a structured corporate healthcare system into a more patient-centric model. So in 2012, Amy took her innovative approach into education. So as a vice president of marketing at Ingenuity, she led a complete renaming and rebranding of the digital learning provider. She also fostered internal and external strategies that focused the corporate message and emphasized student empowerment. So Amy joined Insight in 2014 as Vice President of Marketing and was promoted to Senior Vice President North America Marketing in September 2017. As a lifelong learner, Amy applied the latest marketing ideas to the company's global rebranding and support Insight's identity as a problem-solving provider that puts the client first. So I am so excited to have her here, but also very excited to announce that Amy joins the board of directors for Women in Cloud. And she is committed and she's ready to influence and collaborate with us to leapfrog all of us to make the Women in Cloud the most influential brand in the industry. I am so fortunate, and the entire Women in Cloud ecosystem is so fortunate to be working closely with her and really blessed to have her. So with that, Amy, we are so excited to have you here and kick off today's session.